Boom! Coming in hot. Because why? You're about to see today, new shoe alert, we got the Zoom Fly 3s. So, without further ado, let's get the video going. Let's get this review. Unboxing time. Strong box. Oh, we got a dent already. Anyways, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Boom! What in the world? What in the Speed Racer? You already know we had to come out with the fin. Checking the bottoms. No one's worn the shoes yet. Let's check out the other one. Ooh, I already know what I'm about to say about these. Already know. No laces. We don't need that box. Okay. First impression on the shoe. Right away. They are not white. This is a yellow. It looks yellow. Like, not even trying to, like, on the pictures online, this is supposed to be a white shoe. Like, I'm talking about Colgate. I'm talking about Crest white. Like, teeth so shiny, you know, makes your eyes hurt. But okay, so this is the white you like to see. I know the phone's not picking it up well. Maybe if I put flash on, but let me see. So you can see here, it picks it up pretty well. Yellow, it's like an off-white kind of yellow. It's an off-white, but let's just get into the logistics and let's see just what the shoe's about. Let's see. All right, so material here is very, I don't know what kind of material this is. Let's skip this for right now. Laces are thin laces. Here it says Nike Zoom Fly 3. On the sides it says engineered to the exact specifications of world-class runners, Nike Running. So reason I got this shoe is because I needed a better running shoe. As you guys remember, I had the Nike Zoom Next Percent and I had issues with this tearing up, so we'll see how these handle. They are very comfortable shoes. I don't know about these, since these were a lot cheaper. It's definitely rougher here. It's not as foamy as I would think. So I don't know if they're gonna be comfortable or not. But I think it has pretty much the same design. Definitely these are way heavier. They're a lot heavier. It's a heavier shoe. So you're really paying, for a lighter shoe, you'll pay $250. These ones, if I recall, they were about $170 with like taxes and everything included. So, am I happy about the shoe, guys? I'm gonna have to put them on the feet and then I will tell you my honest opinion. Right now, I don't like the shoes. I don't like them. They look old. They look used. They look like I just washed the laces. I threw them in the washer and I washed the laces and the other shoes were like yellow because I left them out in the sun after a wash for 3-4 days. But anyways, here's the front view, side view. Beautiful view. Like, this is why I got it, because it looks beautiful, but colors are just off. Back view. It has the percentage, meaning that you're gonna get record times. Here you got the running. Just in case you didn't know, these are running shoes. You know, they wanted to know. All right, here's the other side. It's nice big swoosh, nice big flex. And the inside is one big Nike swish, and the other side is one big zoom. And let's put them on the feet. Here's the bottom. As you can see, the bottom, it's got really good traction, guys. Super good traction. Very basic design, sort of like a Michelin tire, and this foam. Right. And on here, we got it's like a rivet Ribbit. All right, so this is the point of view. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but I do have the flash on. So you can definitely tell that it's a lighter colorway here and a super white here. But if you look at it, it really, no, I'm trying to be positive, guys, because right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you guys, they are a spring issue. It almost feels like you have like a little trampoline, and you're like slightly just hopping up and down. So I will give it a plus on that. As far as how the fit feels, they are true to size. I do recommend to get them actual size. So let me show you guys how they look at a shoe point of view. They are comfortable. What I will tell you is the colorway, like I said. It's not a white, but it's a white shoe. Definitely, it's very springy. And maybe you just look really sporty. For the most part. And that's how the back looks.
With extra onion, and then can I get a cheeseburger with grilled onion? Okay. And then one order of fries and one animal style fry. Okay. And one large Dr. Pepper. That'll be all. Hello. Yeah.
Focusing in on that gray Charger, it looks like.
Why?